Hi there. Do you want to live a long and healthy life? What if the reason you can't lose fat has nothing to do with how much you eat? What if two people eat the exact same meal, the same calories, but one burns fat and the other stores it? That's not luck. That's not genetics. That's hormones. Right now, inside your body, there is a hidden switch, a system that decides with every bite you take, burn this or store this. And if that switch is working against you, you could be doing everything right and still gaining fat. Most people still believe the same rule: eat less, move more, lose weight. It sounds simple, it feels logical, but real life doesn't work like that. Because people are eating clean, counting calories, avoiding junk food, and still they can't lose fat. Or worse, they slowly gain it. And then someone else eats more, moves less, and stays lean. So what's actually happening? Why does the same food create completely different results? The answer is not the food. It's how your body responds to it. Your body doesn't just process calories. It responds to signals. And those signals are controlled by hormones. The first is insulin. Every time you eat, insulin rises. Its job is to move nutrients into your cells. But it also controls something critical. When insulin is high, your body stores fat. When insulin drops, your body can burn fat. Now imagine eating all day: breakfast, snacks, lunch, more snacks, dinner. Your insulin never fully drops, which means your body never fully burns fat, even if you're not overeating. Now, add stress, because stress changes everything. When you're under pressure, not sleeping enough, always thinking, always reacting, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone, and cortisol tells your body to survive, so it holds on to fat, especially around your belly, because your body thinks you might need that energy later. So even if your diet is clean, high stress alone can block fat loss. Then there's leptin, the hormone that tells your brain you're full. But when leptin stops working properly, you don't feel satisfied. You eat, but your brain keeps asking for more. Not because you're weak, but because the signal is broken. Now think about this. High insulin, high cortisol, broken hunger signals. Your body is being told one thing: store fat, stay hungry, save energy. And you're trying to fight that with willpower. This is why two people can eat the same food and get completely different results. Because food is only part of the story. Hormones decide what happens next. But when your hormones start working properly, everything changes. Fat loss becomes easier. Hunger becomes stable. Energy stays consistent. Cravings begin to fade. And your body finally starts working with you, not against you. So how do you fix this? Start simple. Stop eating constantly. Give your body time between meals, because fat burning cannot happen if insulin is always high. Focus on real food, whole, unprocessed, natural, because your body understands it. Prioritize protein, because protein helps control hunger and supports your metabolism. Fix your sleep, because poor sleep increases hunger and makes fat loss harder. And reduce stress, because a stressed body will always choose survival over fat loss. So here's the truth. You're not gaining fat because of food. You're gaining it because your hormones are out of balance. And until that changes, nothing else will fully work. But here's where it gets interesting. There is one simple habit, something small, almost invisible, that can start resetting these hormones in just days. Not months. Not years. Days. And almost nobody is using it properly. In the next video, you'll discover exactly what that is. And once you do, everything will start to make sense. And here's where most people make their biggest mistake. They try to fix fat loss by controlling food, but they ignore the system that controls how that food is used. Because your body is not just reacting to what you eat, it's reacting to when you eat, how often you eat, and the state your body's in when you eat. Now imagine your body like a switch. At any moment, it can be in one of two modes: burn mode or storage mode. When your body is in burn mode, it uses fat for energy and everything feels stable and efficient. But when it's in storage mode, it holds on to energy, stores fat, and prepares for survival. Most people spend their entire day in storage mode without realizing it. You wake up and immediately eat. Insulin rises and storage mode begins. A few hours later, you snack, insulin rises again, and you stay in storage mode. Lunch comes, another spike, afternoon snack, another spike, dinner, another spike, and your body never gets a chance to switch back. And when your body never switches, fat burning never truly begins. This is why so many people say they are eating healthy, but nothing is changing. Because they are stuck in the wrong mode. Now add something even more powerful: your emotions. Your emotional state directly affects your hormones. Stress, frustration, anxiety, these are not just feelings, they are chemical signals inside your body. When these signals are constant, your body stays in survival mode. And in survival mode, your body becomes protective. It slows down fat burning, increases cravings, and stores more energy. Because it thinks something is wrong, it thinks you are in danger, and your body does not care about your goal. It cares about your survival. So if your daily routine feels stressful, unpredictable, or extreme, your body will resist change. This is why extreme diets fail. Not because they do not work at first, but because your body fights back later, harder and stronger. But when you change the signals, you change the outcome. When your body feels safe, everything shifts. Fat burning increases, hunger stabilizes, and energy improves. Because now your body is no longer trying to survive. It is allowed to function normally. So how do you send the right signals? Start with timing. Give your body space between meals so insulin can drop and your body can access stored energy. Control how often you eat. Avoid constant snacking and create structured meals. Slow down when you eat because eating fast increases stress signals and affects digestion. When you eat calmly, your body processes food more efficiently. Your environment also matters. Where you eat, how you eat, and what you feel while eating all influence your body. Because your brain is always interpreting signals. If you eat in stress, your body prepares for danger. If you eat in calm, your body supports growth and repair. Think about your daily habits. Are you always rushing, distracted, or eating while scrolling? These small habits send powerful signals that shape your metabolism over time. Real transformation is not forced or extreme, it is aligned. Your body starts responding naturally because the signals make sense. So instead of asking, "What should I eat?" ask, "What signals am I sending?" Because once you change the signals, you change the system. And when you change the system, fat loss becomes a result, not a struggle. But even after all this, there is still one missing piece. One simple habit that directly impacts your hormones faster than anything else. And it is something you can start immediately. In the next video, you will discover what that habit is. And once you do, everything will start to make sense.